as well. Got some guys across the street doing some tarping too. That's funny. Let's see. Did not bring my pry bar, so we will use this. Been a little while, so I might be rusty, but oh well. Place this right here. Camera might fall. We'll see. So that's it. So now we don't have to worry about the decking becoming damaged. Water will run right off, right? Shed right off the roof. No more issues, no more damaged decking while it gets taken care of. You know, homeowners protected. We're taking a proactive approach as to not cause further damage, which is what the carrier is looking for, and just protects the homeowner, right? So reason we installed the tarp underneath here is to prevent the water from getting between the little keyways or the little splits between the shingles, and then basically defeating the purpose of the tarp. But doing it this way, I mean, you're not going to have any blown shingles, right, by any means. No water getting behind there. So yep, and that's the one that's the worst. So to avoid further damage, you know, we'll just leave it with this one here. Yeah.